Hi, this is Monica Sehgal. You also know me as Radhika Mishra from Man Marziyan. Catch me on Telebites, मुझको पहचान लो. 6th March. Lots of them. My friends call me Moni, Monu, Mon, Mehek. Yeah, so lots of names. So basically, I belong to Ujjain, which is in Madhya Pradesh, and Mumbai आना सिर्फ पढ़ाई के लिए हुआ था. I wanted to study in St. Xavier's College, which was my dream college, and thankfully, yes, I finished my graduation as well as my post-graduation from St. Xavier's. My favorite food is typical घर का खाना, दाल, रोटी, सब्जी. घी वाले फुलके मिल जाए ना, या फिर घी वाले पराठे नानी के हाथ के, आई विल बी ऑन क्लाउड 9. फेवरेट डिज़र्ट, आई थिंक आई हैव अ स्वीट टूथ, तो डिज़र्ट में कुछ भी चल जाएगा. फिर वो स्पेशली जो इंडियन स्वीट्स होती हैं, बीट बंगाली मिठाई या फिर पेड़ा या फिर मूंग की दाल का हलवा. ओह माय गॉड. Monsoons. Yes. Red. Amir Khan. Kangana Ranaut. I don't think it is very easy for me to pick one. I think there are tons of films that I really like, but okay, अंदाज़ अपना अपना एक ऐसी फिल्म है जो कभी भी कितनी भी बार देख सकते हैं, और उसमें जितनी बार देखोगे उतनी बार हंसी आती है. So I definitely look forward to have a great session with my friends where we can play अंदाज़ अपना अपना and have a good laugh. My dream role would be something that I cannot connect to. I don't know what exactly would that be, but I really want to set myself as a versatile actress. I don't want to be stereotyped, so I am looking forward to play characters where I cannot probably relate with the character, because that's where I will face the real challenge of getting to know that personality and be able to portray it that well. So hopefully soon. Let's see. Okay, so my favorite is Rocky Star, and yes, my dream did come true, because आपने अगर Star परिवार देखा होगा तो this time at Star परिवार I was wearing a Rocky Star outfit, and it was a beautiful dull gold gown, and it had a lot of sequence work on it, and I particularly am beads are my weakness, so if I see beads and sequins anywhere, I just fall for it, and that was one of the most perfect outfit that I ever wore. And yes, I really dream to wear Manish Malhotra, so again, fingers crossed. One liner. I am a foodie, so yeah, I keep saying this on set, and I think I used this as one of the dialogues also in the show, which says "Pehle पेट पूजा, फिर काम दूजा." I believe in colors. I believe in universe, and I believe in dreams. So I am one person. I am a true Piscean. I'm a daydreamer, and it is only because of my dreams that I am here. So I believe in the fact that when you really visualize yourself wherever you want to be, maybe it's career, maybe it's love, maybe it's whatever in life, maybe you want something. The minute you start visualizing yourself over there, having fun with that particular thing or in that situation, I really believe in, so I know that it will come true one day, maybe today, tomorrow, whenever, but yes, it will come true, and I've experienced it, so yeah, that's what I believe in. My inspiration has been my mother, because I have always looked up to my mom, the way she works. She's a beautician and she runs a salon back in my hometown, and I have seen her working endless without cribbing, without any negative thoughts. And be it any festival, be it a vacation, I don't think she looks forward for a Sunday to have a day off. No, she's working every day. And every time I used to look at her, I used to think, will I be able to work that passionately towards something? And today here I am working in Manmarzia, and I think it's truly because of my mother. Honestly, I was not all that nervous. Yes, the performance has the performance is a lot different from there back then and today. But the first time that I faced camera in Manmarzia, it was a fabulous experience for me, because our first shot was taken and we were in like माउंटेन्स पे थे, ऋषिकेश में थे, और वहाँ पे इतनी कड़ी वाली ठंडी थी कि हो रहा था पूरे समय, डायलॉग्स नहीं बोल पा रहे थे, हाथ एकदम से पता है पूरे नम हो चुके थे. And in spite of that weather, we focused on our performance, and that was the first take that I gave. The entire crew started clapping and applauding for me. So yes, one memorable moment from Manmarzia. And people do tell me that I am very natural on screen. So when they look at me, they do tell me कि लगता नहीं है कि आप camera conscious हो. Maybe it's God gifted. I don't know. My first salary check was in 2011. 2012, when I was working for radio, that is Fever 104 FM, and my first paycheck was for I think 18,000 rupees. Yeah. To begin with, yes, this is my debut show, and I have to all the fans who've been following me and giving me their love and support, a big to them. And I'm really kicked about the fact that yes, you guys are accepting me, you guys are loving me, you guys are loving my smile, and you guys are complimenting me. So do keep me in your prayers, and do keep supporting me, because only through your support is when I will be able to move ahead and keep entertaining you all.